even as president, may namatay tao dyan sa pinakalayong barangay. Kung mag-abot sa akin that he was just killed simply by here, cruelty o talagang pinatay na walang karason-rason, I would take it personal. At kung malaman ko yan, sabihin ko talaga doon sa mga polis, ayan, nakikinig yung mga polis. Putang ina ninyo. You solve that problem or I will solve the problem for you. And I will deal with you after I shall have solved the problem. Meaning to say, kung inutil ka lang naman dyan, putang ina, wala ka ng kasaya ng bayad ng kalakihan ng sweldo ninyo. Pero ako naman, pagka sa trabaho, basta in the performance of duty, wala kayong sa panahon ko talagang